How to enable new weather widget on Windows 11 full guide. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can enable the new weather widget on Windows 11. So first of all, you need to come to the task bar and right click on it, and as you can see taskbar settings, you have to click on that, and there you can see search task view widgets, three options. You just click the widgets off to on, and after that you have to close this, and on the left bottom you can see the widget options. You just come to the settings option of the widgets, and here as you can see there are many options here. You just have to click on the first, like discover new widgets, and here as you can see there are many options like instant play, phone link, sports, and many more. So you have to click on weather here, and as you can see it's not pinned right now, so you have to click on the pin. From here as you can see it's showing the weather widget here. You can just customize it like right clicking on, like here, small, medium, large. You can do Fahrenheit to Celsius from here also, and you can also customize widget. Click on it and give some location from here. You can also unpin the widget from here. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one.